will be getting this money monthly. It's been paid monthly. You don't need to suffer to get this money. Once you are eligible, every month you get this money. All right, yeah, good time to you all. And how are you doing? You are welcome to another video from our wonderful channel, Family Lifestyle with Eligibility and Bosayo. All right, we are based here in Brazil, and we just share with you our experiences here in Brazil, and we give you updates, especially for those of you planning to come into this country, or for those of you who are in this country who actually want to know more about how things are working here. All right, so you are welcome. So today I'll be sharing with you about Family Bolsa, or which is called Bolsa Família in Brazil. And I'll be sharing with you actually the major reason why my family was denied of this wonderful benefit. Okay, I'll be sharing with you any moment in the video. However, before I share with you what really happened and why we were not given the advantage to benefit from this wonderful program, I want to share with you briefly about the program itself. What is Family Bolsa, who are eligible, how the money is being paid, and what the money is actually for. So this I would like you to know. So I'll be checking some information from my laptop, and after that I will explain whatever I read, and after that I will share with you the reason why my family was denied. All right, painful, right? All right, so I will share with you. Okay, let's go on. So what is Family Bolsa? What is Bolsa Família? Bolsa Família is actually a federal government program that is a financial support to low-income families in Brazil. So if you are a family, you have a family in Brazil, whether you are a citizen or you are a foreigner, so long as you are residing in this country, you are in this country, you are eligible for this Family Bolsa. However, some families are not entitled. My family were denied even when we made application. So it's a very good program, and it helps to fight poverty. All right, so in Brazil, the government, one of the ways the government is fighting poverty is to make sure that low-income earners are paid monthly. It's wonderful, right? Yeah, it's very wonderful. So if you are in Brazil, it doesn't matter if you are jobless or you are not earning more, so long you are earning low, okay, the government pay you monthly. So that's that about the program. All right, we'll be looking now at who qualifies for it. So who are those who are eligible? So family living under low income. So if your family is not earning more, let's say your family is earning below the minimum wage, okay, so your family is actually entitled to this. So all you need to do is to go to the registry for social program. It's a social program actually. So you go and register. All right, it's called a CadÚnico. All right. So when you go there, you tell them you're here for family reunion, or you're here for Family Bolsa. You'll be attended to. Questions will be asked. All right. You're going to tell them how much you are earning. They will ask you questions like where you are staying, how much you are paying, water bills, light bill, are you paying all these things? And you can't lie to them, okay? You cannot be earning 3,000 and you go there, you tell them you are earning 1,000. They will know, because they will get your CPF, and with your CPF, I mean, everything about you will be known. So don't lie, tell them what you are earning. And if you are eligible, you will be getting this money monthly. It's been paid monthly. You don't need to suffer to get this money. Once you are eligible, every month you get this money. All right, so let's look at how the payment works. All right, so the federal government in Brazil use the government bank called Caixa Bank. Caixa Banco is a bank in Brazil, federal government. So it is the bank the government use. So once you are eligible for this, you are eligible for this program, a card will be given to you, Bolsa Família card. It's like an ATM card, which you can go to the bank and withdraw your money every month. All right, I mean every month. They don't delay in paying this money. Okay. Actually, families that have children have more advantage, but that does not mean if you don't have a child yet you cannot apply. All right, if you are married you can apply, but if you have children, you have 2 3 children, they don't give birth that much in Brazil. Since I've been here now, most of the family I've seen, I've met with one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. All right. So, but if you have children, it help you to get this uh, benefits quickly. All right. The amount actually varies. It's not the same amount. All right. For example, a family of 4 and a family of 6 who are eligible, it's not possible they collect the same amount. Okay. So the higher your family, the higher your pay, because the money is being paid back per head. All right. So if you are 4, you're going to collect it times 4. If you are 6 in your family, you get the money times 6. So it's actually a very good one. All right. Let's look at the responsibility of this money. This money is not for you to use anyhow. All right. It's to make sure that at least the little you are, I'm not saying the money is much, okay, but I'm a type of someone that I love appreciating little things. All right, this money is not easy. All right, all over the world. All right, so for a country to have such a program for every family in the country, Brazil is a big country, so I think this is a very wonderful thing. I give it to them, okay, but this money primarily is to ensure you have food in your house. At least when you get this money, you can buy a lot of food in your house every month. You can be rest assured next month you're going to get it again. Someone told me that could that be the reason why some Brazilians don't want to work? Well, I don't know, but it's a very good money to ensure your children are well taken care of. All right, they are eating well. Though most schools in Brazil, public schools in Brazil, have this free feeding for the pupils, students, so up to the university level. All right, so you can be in the university in Brazil and you are eating for free. All right, lunch, you can imagine. Though some schools allow you to pay little, like 1 reals, 2 reals per meal, which is very, very cheap. But some schools, you eat for free, even in the university. So the government wants to make sure that all children are well taken care of. So this money, Family Bolsa, is to make sure your family is at least having something to eat, and eat wisely, you are taken care of, and things like that. Okay, remember I promised to share with you the reason why my family was denied. Actually, some of you will be saying, why? Could it be because you are a foreigner or things like that? Just relax, I will share with you, okay? So finally, let's see the impact of this Family Bolsa on Brazilian society. What is the impact of this money on the society? Okay, I'm sure you know already, but all right, number one is it helped to reduce poverty. It helped to reduce poverty in Brazil. Can you imagine, like, even if you are living in the village anywhere in Brazil, you are entitled to this money so long you are a low income earner and you can prove it that, hey, my family is not earning up to expectation, so the government should help. So this money helps to reduce poverty. It helps to improve school attendance. Yes, yeah, one of the reasons why pupils don't go to school in other countries because no food in the house, poverty. So parents, so with this, kids are being encouraged to go to school. All right, so it helps to increase the number of children who actually go to school. You have to boost children health. Uh, it also helps to inspire such program in other countries. This program is working in Brazil. Other countries are emulating. I don't know why our countries in Africa is not emulating this with all the resources we have. Okay, so this is also to encourage other countries, and other countries are actually emulating Brazil for this wonderful program. So it helps millions of Brazilians to live out of poverty. I'm very serious. I watched a video where a YouTuber was saying, how much his family goes up, blah, 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 just to discourage people, or I don't know the main motive of releasing that video. Hey, even if family Bolsa is 150 reals, it's not bad, okay? And it's above that, okay? I won't tell you the exact amount, but even if it's 100 reals, That means if you're having a family of 4, you earn 400 reals. I'm not saying it's 400 reals. I'm just talking, using an example. Do you know how much that is? Just for free. You know how many millions of people are getting this money? So give it to the government. If the government is doing well, give it to the government. You see, while I was in Nigeria, I'm such a person that I never blame any government. My friends can testify. I don't just open my mouth and say, this government is bad, this government is bad. Hey, stop it. If you are the one there, what will you do? The problem of Nigerians is not just with the leaders, even the followers are contributing greatly to the problem of Nigerians, my country. So don't blame the leaders. I don't blame leaders. So if the government of Brazil is doing this good thing, let's give it to them, encourage them, and encourage other countries to emulate such program. Imagine if such program is working in my country. That would be very great. Like low-income earners being assisted. The government can. We can encourage them, not blaming them, condemning them. You want them to do such a thing. No. You can encourage them, talk them into it, okay? I love being diplomatic, that's it, okay? So, I think if you've watched this video to this point now, I think you've known about, you are updated now about what is called Familia Bolsa in Brazil. And please, at this point, I want to encourage you, can you subscribe to our channel? Just click on the subscribe button and drop your comments about this. Now, the main matter. Why was my family denied for this? So we went there, myself, my wife, we went there with our documents some weeks ago. We answered all the questions, they collected some documents, some information from us. And after some weeks, we didn't hear from them. So we are like, okay, let's check on these guys, on these people. Let's go to the office and see what is happening. So when we got there and we said, oh, we came here some weeks ago, blah, blah, blah. So what's happening? So they sat us down and they began to explain some things to us. From their explanation, they said we are not eligible because of our income in Brazil. So, you know, my wife is on scholarship in Brazil and is getting monthly stipends. If you are on scholarship in Brazil, forget about family reunion. Sorry. Forget about Familia Bolsa. Forget about Bolsa Família. Forget about Family Bolsa, okay? Because you will not be granted. According to the law, based on what they explained to us, you must not earn above a certain... Okay, what the family is earning will be divided by the number of families. So if you are earning above that certain limit the government has placed, you are not eligible. So, based on that, we were told that, see, it's not easy for the government to pay this money actually. So this money is for those who are actually living on low incomes. That means if you are a foreigner in Brazil and you are not on scholarship and you've not gotten good job, you are eligible for this program. Just go apply, it will be given to you. But if you're on scholarship in Brazil, for you to be eligible for this program, then your family must be like, based on my calculation, you must have family of 7, 8. If you have family of 5, forget about family Bolsa. Even family of 6, based on my calculation, if you have family of 6 in Brazil, you are not eligible. Legally, I don't know if anything is going on the ground, I don't know, but based on my calculation and what we were told, so that was the reason why we were told we can't get this money. And someone would say, was I sad? No, I was not sad. I smiled and I greeted the man with joy, like, I understand. Let's keep sharing, all right? So I was not sad. Brazil is a wonderful country, though we didn't get the family Bolsa, but I was not sad. But let's say we approve, even if it is 600 reals we are getting every month or 700 reals, hey, that's not bad. 700 reals can buy a lot of food stuff into the house, all right? So kudos to Brazil for that. And apart from the family Bolsa, there are other organizations like different organizations depending on the city where you are. For example, there is one called CRAS. It's such a good programs that you can go there and get foodstuffs for free. You can go there every month and with joy they give to you. All right, so thank you for watching this video up to this point. I'm happy and I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Drop your comments. What do you think about this program? Do you think your government, your country where you're watching this program from, are you having such a program in your country? And if you're not having such a program in your country, do you think the government should, the government of your country should emulate from Brazil and start such a program? There's nothing called political party about this. Either you are supporting the party of the whatsoever, any party you are eligible for this family Bolsa. And thank you very much for watching. Ciao.